Before opening the make.com, I want to explain actually what we are building in this whole automation. So you can see here, this is our trigger option. You can see here HubSpot. HubSpot, basically we are using a HubSpot forum. Someone fill a HubSpot forum, the make.com start, and it will capture the lead instant. And after that, we normalize the whole column data and create a lead in monday.com. And after creating the lead, instant notify the customer as well. And we will also notify the team as well. So this whole process actually happening within just 5 seconds. So in this video, I will explain actually how to build this whole client onboarding automation from scratch. So let's start it. So you can see here, this is the interface of make.com. So you can see here the blue option, just click on it. So just wait for 1 second. You can see here search here HubSpot because we are like using here a HubSpot forum. Just click on it. So yeah, after searching HubSpot, you can see here the under option like what submission for a form. So this is our trigger like whenever someone fill a form, it will get immediately data. So we are using here, you can see here, and I am selecting a limit one because every individual person fill a form one time. So after that, we are here forum ID. You can see here, I'm giving example. This last one is actually our forum ID. So here you can see here, I have just one forum, so I am selecting this one. So I am saving it. You can see here, it will asking how you want to start. So I am selecting here like all and saving it and run once. So you can see here, this is actually data that like we fill in our HubSpot form. So we will fill in live test as well. After that, we have, you can see here, a data of our forum. So here I am giving you advanced bits. After trigger, you must normalize the data because here this is my forum structure. Like here, first name. If someone change these first name and last name into just name, so our automation will be stopped. So this is a professional setup. So just click on it. You can see here tools, and here this is the option like set multiple variables. Here is a set variables, like you can select here just one variable. We are selecting a multiple variable. Just click on it. And here you can see I am the first name. I'm just mapping this one. So and last name. See here as well as so you can see here, I normalize the data. I am again running because we have already data. We are using existing ones. Just click on it. You can see here it is successfully run. So after that, we are creating, you can see here, this is a mind map, which I explained earlier to you. And we are creating a lead into lead boards. You can see here, this is my monday.com lead board. So you can see here, I am searching here monday.com. You can see here, we are creating a lead here. Create. After searching, you must write like create an item in monday.com because you can see here, this one is actually item. After that, you can select create an item. You can see here. If you don't know how to connect monday.com with make.com, I already post a video. So see you in my channel. So after connecting the monday.com with make.com, because I already connect here. So here, this is the item name. You can see here. Item name is our company name. So here I am mapping here, like you can see here, there is a no company name, so we are mapping here a first name here. Board here, we are using a lead one. You can see here, this is my lead board in, in our main workspace. So after selecting a lead board, and here this is the option like group. Which group do you want to create a lead? I am creating a lead in a new group. So here I am selecting, you can see here, a new leads group. Column, which column do you want to create an item? I am creating a deadline as well, email as well, and name as well. And you can see here, note section as well. So after selecting these column, you must, there here is an option like date. So always choose a date only. If you want a date and time as well, select this one. I am choosing here like date only. I am mapping here. You can see here a submission date. You can see here. So I am selecting here like a date and date functions, and you can see here now. And in money.com, I am giving you tip here. Money.com not support this one. Money.com actually support these type of like here. You can see these type of date. So we are using a formula here. You can see here we are changing the date into this format. So always select here like format date. Here you can see I am choosing again uh here you can see I am using a formula and I am choosing a now date, and I am here you can see this one. I'm just copying it and paste there. You can see. So now Monday.com actually accept these date format. If I use this one, Monday.com create an error in the scenario. After that, we are mapping here from the set variable module. You can see here the name as well. Like here, I am using a first name, and for second name, you can see here this is the option like a space, and here I am again mapping last one. So this way, it will create a both first name and last name as well. Note section, I am mapping here a message section. So here you can see I am rerun one this one. So now you can see it successfully run, and you can see lead here. Pressing it, just wait for 1 second. I will show you that our lead actually create into in our lead board. So you can see here, this is our company and name here as well, and emails and phone, everything is coming into our dashboard. So here we can see we forget to add. So you know that I already set up this one. So our lead actually creating in money.com, and I want to send a welcome email to a customer. So here after that I am selecting a router here. You can see here router, because I want to send a customer and team as well, notify both of them that our new lead are created, and one is for welcome and one is for my team to work on it. Here I'm selecting a Gmail module. And just scroll down and you can see here this is the Gmail module. And I want to send an email. To select a function here, send an email. I already connect here. You can see here. Two with like two is the option like where you want to send a email. I am selecting here like email this person, and subject line like I am teaching here like welcome. And there is a two option of body type. Body type mean what you want to tell to that customer. There are two options, a collection of contact and raw HTML. So I always choose raw HTML content already. I copied it. Just see this one, this one. So this is over. I am just mapping this one first name here. You can see here. I'm saving it. So here I also notified the my team as here. I'm again mapping this email because this is my own email. So if you have a customer email, team email, just click write a email here like A, B, C, and whatsoever. So after that, I here want to send a message, subject line go, work on it. Basically, I am informing my team to work on it because we are receive a new lead here. So here again, I am using a raw HTML format. Again, I have a data here. You can see this one, and you can see here. Then just mapping first name here and last name as well. Map email section, phone section as well, and message section as well. Submission date. So a submission date you can see. After that, I'm seeing it. Now you can see our actually setup are completely. Now you can see here. I am using again existing data. See here. Now you can see my automation is fully run and successfully, and also a client notified a welcome email, and my team are also notified this one. So you can see here, this again create a lead here, and I am giving you a live test email as well, like which I received from this one. This is my welcome email. You can see here. This is our message. And like I have received your request, and this one is our teamwork. Here you can see this is our. You can see here. This is actually our team email. Like I'm send, we have sent this by automation. So if you want to learn make.com and you are searching a video and channels to this channel, I will explain entirely about make.com and you learn deeply anything related to make.com. So please like and subscribe my channel